Today we're going to look at the extensive renovations of Jim Bob and Michelle Duggar's 10,186 square foot mansion that is located in Arkansas. In the video we're going to share, you'll get an inside look at the property and see why this property is worth its $1.53 million price tag. The couple is most known from the reality TV show, 19 Kids and Counting, and are really savvy when it comes to real estate. The efforts they made paid off big time with the sale of this place. The home was in very poor condition when they saw it in 2013 for $237,000. When they saw the potential, they bought it for $230,000 back in November of 2014. The home sits on 2.73 acres and was originally built in 1969. It includes 4 bedrooms and 5.5 bathrooms. They remodeled all of the bathrooms for those who are wondering. It now has 4 different kitchens with granite countertops, custom LED lighting, and of course new appliances and cabinets. There's also a home theater for those movie buffs watching. The garage is 3,500 square foot and is bigger than my house. There's an elevator and a really cool and unique spiral staircase. After spending years on the renovation, they listed it for sale in 2019 for $1.8 million, where it sat unsold for a few months before they decided to lower the price and restage it. At that point they relisted it at $1.3 million and ultimately ended up selling it for $1.53 million.